Hello, friends. Wishing you a happy 2025. I'm so happy that the Chief Justice of India, Sanjeev Khanna, has taken up the review petition in same sex marriage and he has constituted a new bench to hear this matter. When this matter had come up before the previous Chief Justice of India, Dr. D.Y. Chandrachud, he had constituted a bench to hear this review petition in which Judge Sanjeev Khanna was also a part of it. Justice Sanjeev Khanna recused himself from the constitutional bench to hear the review petition. Today I am happy that the Chief Justice Sanjeev Khanna has constituted this bench, though he is not a part of it, being very sensitive to the tradition, culture, religion of our country. And I'm sure that the judges in this constitutional bench to hear the same-sex marriage will be sensitive to all these matters of the citizens of our country. Late Sushil Kumar Modi in the parliament had voiced very clearly that in our country will not allow the same-sex marriage because it is against our religion, culture and tradition, and no two judge can take a decision on this matter. Today, America and other Western countries are messed up. The children going to school can change the sex and the parents have got no say. Definitely, I being a citizen of India, Bharat, do not want my country to be messed up in the same-sex marriage. Definitely, there may be a few people who are going through issues that can be corrected. That's not by legalizing same-sex marriage. If a person is a murderer, there are people who steal, rob. So, just because few people want to do that, you're not going to legalize that. You may say that it is genetic, it is inborn. All these things can be corrected through counseling. And I'm aware in America too, where same-sex marriage is legalized, there are people who are strong advocates being part of the LGBTQ today, are married, they have got children, and they are educating and counseling other people. But the LGBTQ do not want these people to continue counseling those people and tell them the truth, because it's become a business. And today, who were the people who were counsels and advocates for those people who had filed the petition in the Supreme Court of India in same-sex marriage? They were high-profile counsels. So this is a big global support where they want in India to be legalized, same-sex marriage to be legalized. But definitely this will not happen. Why? Because it is against God's creation. God had created man and woman and the institution of marriage. And this institution of marriage cannot be compromised, because this is the devil's work, where he wants to break the institution of marriage. In all the religions, marriage is important and there is sanctity. And this cannot be compromised. So definitely we'll hope and pray that the constitutional bench who will be taking up this review petition and matter will be sensitive. And I'm so happy that the earlier bench in which they had come up against legalizing were very sensitive. The majority, even though the Chief Justice at that time, Dr. D.Y. Chandrachud, was fully supporting. And I was also surprised that one of the counsel for the same-sex marriage, Dr. D.Y. Chandrachud, had made his brother a part of the constitutional bench, which shows that this was totally compromised in hearing the matter. How can a judge be a part of the constitutional bench when his brother was a strong advocate, a counsel for same-sex marriage and for the LGBTQ? And I'm happy today that the Chief Justice of India, Sanjeev Khanna, recused himself from hearing the matter at that particular time when Dr. D.Y. Chandrachud was the Chief Justice, and today he has taken up this matter, though he is not a part of the constitutional bench, but constituted a new bench to hear this matter. Definitely, we will pray that God give divine wisdom to the judges and that they will be sensitive to the tradition, culture, religion, and ethos of our country. May God bless you, and we'll keep this matter in our prayer. Thank you very much.